if you're experiencing login errors on Zelle, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and get back to sending and receiving money. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. Also, ensure that your password is correct, paying attention to any capitalization or special characters. Step 3. Update the Zelle app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Zelle app installed on your device. Go to the App Store on your device, search for Zelle, and update the app if a new version is available. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you are using the Zelle app, clearing the app cache can help resolve login errors. Go to your device's settings, find the Zelle app, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Zelle customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and resolve any account-specific issues that may be causing the login error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any login errors you encounter on Zelle. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.